What up, guys? CP the Tool Addict. Woo! Watch out. Almost got you. We got some new stuff on the channel. We've got a special guest today, but we're going to do some sawing. I've got the new Makita CXT. We're jumping right into this. So today we are going to gingerly touch tips as gentlemen. Get over here. We're going to gingerly touch tips as gentlemen and see who's got the better hacksaw. The Milwaukee? Just touch my tip, dude. just touch my tip. What's it? The tip of the saw. Like, what's wrong with you, dude? We're going to gingerly touch tips and see who can cut the bolt the fastest. I mean, because it's not a good YouTube video unless you do some kind of stupid deal where you saw this thing back and forth and see who can cut it the fastest, right? Because that's all that... Why'd you drop that? Are you going to cut my leg?
Dude, the Milwaukee's going to take you over.
Milwaukee. So we've got... What's the Milwaukee? This one's heavy. Way heavier than this one. I think this one's faster. Let's get first impressions. So, in my opinion, this thing's got a... I mean, this would definitely make your wife satisfied. I'm not gonna lie to you. This thing's got a lot of vibration. It's a little bit as the wrist torque test channel would call it the wrist braking scale. I like the light in the front of this one. See underneath. I don't know. It's kind of, you can't see either one of them. The lights are just pretty much worthless on this. I mean, they're just like a little shadow. Maybe if you're in a really dark place, why don't you go ahead? But I said we touch tips gingerly. This is the Milwaukee Fuel M12 brushless, part number 2520-20. For all you Milwaukee fanboys that know what that means, this is the RJ031 CXT 12 volt max. I do like this about this. Let's talk about the features real quick before we go into this. Just hang on a second. I know you want to get into cutting shit up and like just causing all sorts of problems, but the reason why I went with this one, it was on sale. I found this on sale at like JB Tools for like $100. It came with 2 batteries. These are 2 amp hour, and they have the indicator. And much like the DeWalt, they're pretty simple. I do like this style of battery because it locks in firmly. Nice compact battery. This is a very well balanced tool, I will say. Do you agree with that? It is a lot different than the Milwaukee. We're getting this young fellow's opinion, even though he's an Iowa State fan. Go Hawkeyes, by the way. If you don't know, now you know. Hawkeyes are killing at number 5. That is my team. But not to get off subject here. This also has the finger switch underneath of it. I know these aren't new. I don't know if this one's a newer model. But I got to tell you, I've heard a lot of guys say they don't have a bunch of power. But that's not what I bought this for. I bought this for finer detail work. And that's what I like about this here deal of being underneath. We got some Milwaukee hacksaw blades. Why wouldn't we use them? Because that's what we have. I don't know. Maybe it's because this one vibrates more. Giving my RPM scale just off of... Yeah, I don't... It seems like this one's faster. Anyways, you tell me. You can definitely tell the Milwaukee is heavier. I do like the Milwaukee trigger better than this and have to push in this little safety deal, but... Be honest. I think the Makita's a little bit faster. Does it just vibrate more?
Yeah, it vibrates more.
You think so? You think that's what it is? Oh, the other thing is I like about the Makita that definitely the Milwaukee doesn't have is this right here. It shoots the blade out. And it's a lock. This is a much better blade system, guys, with that because it pops the blade out. And it's one, basically you don't even have to hold it. You can push it in. And it locks the blade in. That's a much better system than Milwaukee. It's cut your finger off because if something were to happen and you're twisting it because you have to use your finger indexing, I think it's probably one of the most unsafe tools I've seen in decades. But yeah, so if you were to happen to slip up or something would happen while you're taking this off, whoop, right down to the bone. We're going to the ER. Blood everywhere. The wife's going to be screaming. Yada, yada, yada. Remember, this is just, we're having fun here, guys. So if you take this seriously and you're already screaming in the comment box and you're a Milwaukee fanboy and I've offended you, too bad. You know, I don't care. We're just having fun with this. I don't really know much about hacksaws. I'm giving you my opinion. I haven't seen many of these on here. I can tell you that the Milwaukee is definitely a lot heavier, right?
Right.
It's a ton heavier, you can tell. And you even said it. You like this for control, because if you're trying to cut something, let's just say, well, let's just hold the bolt up here. If I was trying to precision cut something, I can get right up on my material. Yeah, and I can cut it pretty simple. So we're going to go over here, do some timing, and we'll see how long it takes to cut a normal bolt like this this is a metal blade. TPM, I don't know if it's the right blade, but it says metal cutting blade. Milwaukee blade, the same blade here. We have a torch. Don't know if it's the best, don't care. It's the same blade. It's a 14 TPI, 6-inch. They're both 6-inch, exact same blades. So we're going to go over here. We'll just see which one has quick and have a little fun with it. And then hopefully you guys enjoy the video. So, alright, so here's the Makita CXT full battery. You agree, right? Yep, battery's full. He's going to cut this bolt. We're going to time it just for fun. Nothing serious about this. When I tell you to go, you go, and we'll see which one cuts through the fastest. Let's cut one end off, and then we'll switch over to the Milwaukee. Are you ready? Yeah, go ahead and set it on there. Go up the bolt a little bit farther, so you got enough to cut the other bolt. No, the other way. There you go. Are you ready? Get set. Go.
Oh.
What are you doing? First timer. We're gonna reset. Bloopers. Pull it down in the vise a long ways. Dude, turn it around. Stand it straight up. Take the bolt straight down and down, all the way down. There you go. Get it till you get the tip and move the bolt up. You're gonna cut it from the side. Down. The bolt down.
Okay.
Right like this. Look, now tighten it down. And just, there you go. Now cut that tip off and then pull the bolt straight up. Tell you what. Hold on, now I gotta get how do you get this? I can't get your stopwatch in. This is not an organized production. This is 100% just stuff at its finest. All right, are you ready? Stand by. Go. All right, so we got 21 seconds for the Makita, for the Makita. 21. Can we record that? I think we can. So now move it up, move the bolt up. No, we're not gonna do any. 21. So there you go, get a bite on that. Now bring the Milwaukee over, show us the battery's full. And then we're going to go and do the same thing. Just a quick video about this. Alright, battery's full. You see that? Makita with a nice JD Tico boot. Shameless plug. And get ready. We're going to reset it. Clock's at 0. Alright, are you ready? Are you ready? Hey, are you ready? I just want to make sure. Get set. Go! So the Makita got smoked by a lot. So that's pretty simple. So the Makita is way better. Why did you cut into my... did you really cut into my vise jaws? Are you literally... Do you have a low beam? What is wrong with you? I can't... Are you kidding me? He cut into my jaws of my vise. Alright. I mean, this is unbelievable. I can't make this stuff up. Alright, so he gave me some valuable... Let's talk about it. So you said... Get over here, Junior. So, why are you so short?
I'm in a short chair.
Oh, you're in a short chair. Anyways, he said that the Milwaukee... Tell me what you said about the Milwaukee.
So the Milwaukee has a lot better cut. More
It was more controllable.
Yep, more controllable, less vibration.
Less vibration, which we already established. So we said the Makita. You can hear it. I mean, it even makes a little bit more noise. I didn't buy the Makita because I wanted a little bit more controllable. I think in a certain situation, this thing's going to be a little bit better because you can grab this. Like if you're doing finer cuts, starting a cut, finer cuts, whatever. This one's got a little bit more, I think, because of the weight. He said it didn't vibrate as much because the Milwaukee didn't vibrate as much. So obviously, there's plenty of videos out here on this stuff, guys. It's just to have fun. And I bought this tool because I'm doing a specific job with it. One specific job, and it was a $100 tool. I'll put a link in the description for both of these. Actually, this was a pretty good deal because this was on. We got this one from Home Depot one day, and it came with a 6 amp hour battery and a 4 amp hour battery and a charger for like $170.
Yeah, 170.
170 bucks. This was a deal. That's why these were both on sale. Is why we got them. To be honest with you, and he wanted a Milwaukee because he just got all my 12 volt fuel stuff. So now he's deep into the Milwaukee stuff. Well, anyways, guys, that's a quick video for you. We're just having fun, goofing around. Hope you enjoyed it. Remember, like, comment, share, subscribe. Ring that bell. Remember, keep your hands dirty and your money clean. And in this guy's case, you could literally get, look, come here. Look, he could get so, it doesn't, he's always dirty. It doesn't matter. He likes being dirty. So anyways, guys, remember, like, comment, share, subscribe, ring the bell. Keep your hands dirty, money clean. Thanks for watching.